or two from today, you will be in the midst of a million flying kites in the sky, right here. Yes, the International Kite Flying Festival happens right here in Ahmedabad at the Sabarmati riverfront. And being a typical Ahmedabadi, I too am in love with this festival and I cannot wait to say Kai Poche when I cut someone's kite in the war of kites. But before taking a part in this amazing fest, I need to prepare for it. So let's go and buy some amazing kites, manja and some sweet for the kite flying festival. Hi, I'm Simran Bhatani from Ahmedabad અને હું જઈ રહી છું મારા સ્કૂટી પેપ પ્લસ પર અમદાવાદની ઓલ્ડ પતંગ ગલીમાં to buy some amazing kites and manja for kite flying. Riding the Scooty Pep Plus is so much fun. It maneuvers through these narrow lanes with ease. Talk about the variety and this place never disappoints. The kites are made of different types of papers. You get it in different sizes and shapes depending upon the style of your kite fly. So let's go and shop some kites. Wow, I'm just so excited looking at so many varieties of manjas. It's just amazing. Here, I got all that I wanted. Now, let's go shop for some sweets. હું અહીંયા આવી પહોંચી છું અમદાવાદની સૌથી જાણીતી સ્વીટ શોપમાં સંક્રાંતિના બહુ જ ફેમસ તલના લાડુ લેવા. Now we're all set to go. Let's go and fly some kites. Here I am making the most of my love for kite flying. A very happy Makar Sankranti to all of you in advance. Happy kite flying!